Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be dealing with the most common problem of a forex trader. That is the confusion regarding the forex broker. And perhaps the most common question that I get every day is which forex broker is the best? You guys have seen me suggesting many names from time to time. I also shout out important points to remember before selecting a broker. If you go to my website, then also you'll find a checklist where I have mentioned 5 points that you need to check before selecting a broker. So first of all, regulation and licenses are very important because we do not want our brokers to run away with our hard-earned money. Secondly, customer service, because whenever you are in trouble, I'm in trouble, I need someone to solve our problems. Deposit and withdrawals. Usually deposits are easy, but withdrawals are pathetic with many brokers. So deposits and withdrawals should be smooth. The fourth point is spread. Perhaps the most common problem that a trader faces. The problem of spread, because our brokers are usually very greedy, as a result of which our trades go into negative whenever we place an order. Fifth point is order execution and slippage. This is a problem mostly common in a news market. Whenever there is a news in the market, there is extreme volatility. You see sometimes that your stop losses do not work. As a result, a trustworthy broker is the only solution. And today, I have a broker that can solve all the 5 problems, and the broker is FXView. FXView may not be the most popular name in the forex world right now, but trust me guys, this broker is unique and changing the game completely. Right after opening of the website, you will see that point number 4, the problem of spread is solved completely. Just look at the spread, my dear friends. The spread starts from 0.0 pips. The commission they charge is only $1 per $100,000. Minimum deposit is 50 and they provide 500x leverage. Now let me justify why I claim FXView to be unique. First of all, we know it very well that almost all the brokers provide ECN accounts. But FXView is a true ECN broker. They charge a fixed $1 commission per $100,000. 24/5 live chat support is always available at your assistance. This point is important. They keep the funds of clients in a segregated account for safety. Being a member of the financial commission, the traders are protected up to 20,000 euros in case of disputes, and you also get negative balance protection. And with their cutting edge technology and spread directly coming from the liquidity providers, you get lightning fast order execution, and the account slippage is also very low in comparison to other brokers. FXView is a brand owned by Finvezia Group, a leading conglomerate which was established in 2009. You can see that it is regulated by CISAC FSC in South Africa, and the group is registered with over 30 regulatory bodies across Europe, Africa and India. Just look at the licenses, my dear friends. You will find almost all the reliable deposit and withdrawal methods. It may change according to the country of residence, and the best part is that they do not charge any fees for deposit as well as withdrawals. Most of the deposits are instant, but few methods may take up to 1 working day, and in case of withdrawals, they take up to 1 working day, which is quite decent. Though the name is FXView, but apart from Forex, you can also trade on commodities, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies. They provide 500 trading instruments. If you do not have much time for charts and analysis, you can also sign up for copy trading. They have Zulu Trade, which is the oldest and one of the most reputed copy trading platform. They also have MQL5 for signals, and if you're a tech nerd, you can also go for API. Apart from MT4, MT5, they also have ActTrader as a trading platform. You can also go to the platform comparison section just to check out which trading platform will suit your trading style best. If you're looking for fast order execution, then you can also sign up for VPS. And the best part is they also have a trader's toolbox. You can see a long list of tools Personally, I like the alarm manager the most. Apart from my favorite alarm manager, you also get correlation matter, the market manager, the sentiment meter. You will find almost all the things. This toolbox is essential, will be helpful for a beginner as well as an advanced trader. Apart from trading, if you're looking for other source of income from Forex market, then you can check out their partners section where you can sign up for affiliate program. You can become an introducing broker, and you can also sign up for their white labels. The account opening process of FXView is also super easy. You simply need to click on register now button on the top right corner. You will see only 5 options. It will take less than a minute. Yes, truly. You just select the country of residence, your email address, password, I am not a robot, register, and bam. The dashboard will open. You can see that you can create a live account, you can create a demo account, or you can just complete the registration by uploading the documents. For example, you want to create a demo account, simply select the preferred platform. Here I'll go with MT5, then currency US dollar, select the leverage of your choice. Let's go with 500. Just type in the trading password and create account. Your job is done. You will receive the account details on your email instantly, and with the details you can log in on your chosen platform. This is my MT5 account, and just look at the awesome spread and imagine the money you can save and make with the spread like this. My jaw is paining right now. What do you think, guys? Lastly, I would say that if you're not happy with your current broker, if your broker is pathetic, not giving you proper customer service, charging you too much in terms of spread, you want to go for quick entry and exits, then FXView can be the solution for you. Trust me guys, you won't regret. Feel free to check them out. The link is in the description. Bye bye, take care.